Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is day 58 of my Learning English challenge journey speaking in front of the camera. So today I reached day 58. I'm really so excited to be here and I'm really so excited to improve my English while I speak in English only by myself. And today is I'm going to share you how I practice my English. So I prepare a bunch of IELTS questions, and this method it really can make you fluently. And that is how I practice my English. And right now I still speak in English. So if you're learning English or English learner and you don't have anybody to practice with you, then this video is for you because I'm alone and I learn English by myself while I'm using this method. I just use the language or you will lose it. So let's get started. So this IELTS question is about healthy and stress, all that stuff. I'm not a doctor, I'm not science, but I just making conversation. I just want to speak the language and I just make a comment. So let's get started. So the first question today we have is, do you ever feel stress? Do you ever feel stress? Yeah, for me, sure, for sure. I feel a little bit stressed or kind of frustration sometimes. And that is caused because sometimes when I have a lot of tasks, or may I need to make homework, write down some assignment, or do some kind of task. Sometimes when I procrastinate or I just delay that, I say I will do it later or 1 hour later. And that 1 hour also was just excuse to make myself to avoid that task. And I just skip the 1 hour as well. So after next day or when I see I didn't complete this task, I feel kind of frustration or kind of stress. And that why because I procrastinate. The time I must to do or supposed to do that task I skip away, and when I see all my tasks uncompleted, I feel kind of stressed. And what avoid that is I always try to do my work or my homework or whatever I did so early before it's too late. Or even when I woke up early, I try to I practice my English, improve a lot, and practice my English as much as can. And also, if I'm making breakfast or else everything, I would love to do on time. Because if I procrastinate, I may feel kind of a little bit stressed. And that is what I avoid is if I feel stressed, I try to take a nap, like sleep for a while, a short time, take a nap short time, or I try to play game or do what I like. If I what I like, just do what I like. Maybe I make some tea or I just try to do what I like. That's how I avoid. Let's move to the second question. The second question is how do you reduce stress? How do you reduce stress? Reduce means this what I learned recently, and the what reduce means how you make less stress yourself or how you stop yourself feel stress like that. So for me, that is what like the question same. I think I try to play games if I feel kind of a little bit stressed, or try to maybe drink tea. That's my favorite, by the way. And I just do those stuff. That's why I avoid all stresses. And by the way, if you have any idea this question is or anything in your mind, do you stop to feel stressed or have you ever feel stressed? Write down at the comment below and let me hear your thoughts. So let's move to the last question. The last question is, do you think mental health is important? Do you think mental health is important? Of course it is. If we have a mental health issue, we would not learn, we would not improve, and we would not do anything. I see so many people who has a mental health issue and they wasn't learning anything. They they didn't improve in anything. So I would say mental health is important for our life. If you are mental health issue, I think you cannot do anything, and we should avoid that mental healthy. I think what causes mental health the most is feeling stress or kind of like that. But I'm not a doctor. I just guessing that that's what caused. This is just making a topic. So guys, today our videos. That is all. That is how I practice my English in front of the camera. I just prepare my bunch of IELTS questions here, and I just make a video while I speak in English. So that is really something work so much, and I like so much because I've been doing that 58 days, including today, and I speaking sometimes. I feel I'm doing good. I'm speaking really so good, and of course, if you learn English, you can join me. And by the way, if you new this video, my name is Mukhtar. I'm from Somalia. I learn English by myself in online, and yeah, I would love to teach English as well and speak English. So, guys, see you next video. If you're watching till here, you absolutely legend. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and make me support me. Have a good one.